This is called our ranging hall. It's a low magnetic building that contains within it some coils which enable us to manipulate the Earth's magnetic field, and therefore we can measure the different components of equipment items and make sure they're within tolerances. And what we basically do is measure all the equipment items that go on board Royal Navy mine countermeasures vessels, and also the equipment used by explosive ordnance disposal divers, to make sure that they're all low magnetic and they're not going to cause an underwater magnetic mine to detonate. We can measure anything up to like a 10-ton main engine. We're testing for the magnetic field that an equipment item emanates, so what we term its magnetic signature. It's unique in the UK. There are other ones in different parts of the world, but it's unique in the fact that it's built on Portland stone, which in itself is non-magnetic. It's in a remote location, so there are no interference from roads or railways. And we've got a long history and experience in advising customers how they can get their signature levels down to something that is acceptable. People that have been working in this area a long time are always very enthusiastic about trying to achieve the best they can. Success really is that we're maintaining the safety levels for the RN in terms of either the ships themselves or the divers. That's success from our point of view.